So why did we learn about least common multiples today? Michelle, we're out of 5th grade. Well, they're going to come back in and they're going to really help us solve linear equations that have fractions. Let me show you what one of those might look like. If you look at page 99 of your textbook, it says x plus 2 divided by 4 minus x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Hint, hint, you should be writing this in your notes right now. Okay, normally if I look at this, I'm feeling a little bit intimidated. I'm not sure exactly how it is. What can I add to one side? How can I get this all together? It's really just going to be easiest if I follow the steps to clear the fractions. So the first thing we did was to find the least common multiple of the denominators. The second thing, once I have that number, I'm going to multiply that on both sides of the equation. And that would actually clear the fractions. So let's go through that process right now. I identify my denominators. My denominators are 4, 3, and really the 2 is divided by a 1, so you could put 1, but it'll be the same least common multiple as the other ones. So let's list the multiples of 4. Counting by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, blah, blah, blah. Counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Aha! I have seen that they have a 12 in common, so that is my least common multiple. I'm going to take that and multiply it on either side of this equation. As you can see, the 12 is going to need to be distributed to the inside of those parentheses. This is really 12 over 1. So the 1 is going to get multiplied in the denominator, but in the numerator, the 12 is going to get multiplied by x plus 2 and by x minus 1. Instead of trying to make that happen all in one fell swoop, what I can do is multiply it as 12 times by x plus 2 divided by 4 minus 12 times x minus 1 divided by 3, and that's equal to the 12 times 2, which is 24. Hopefully you wrote that step down so you can see how easily this flows, because if I just multiply that 12 into the numerators, then I can really easily cross cancel and reduce these fractions. And I've got a really nice problem to solve. 3 parentheses x plus 2, so 3 times the quantity x plus 2 minus 4 quantity x minus 1 equals 24. To solve this, all I have to do is distribute my 3x plus 6, distribute my negative 4, negative 4x plus 4 equals 24. I'm going to try and reduce that and combine like terms here. So I've got 3x minus 4x is a negative x. I've got a positive 6 plus 4 is a positive 10 equals 24. Then if I subtract 10 on either side, I will have negative x equal to 14. And if I want to make that x equals, I'll just have to divide by negative 1, and x is equal to a negative 14. Nice easy steps. You can clear the fractions. Just remember, find the least common multiple of the denominators and multiply it to either side.